Facebook Messenger notifications not working. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if notifications are not working on Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Facebook Messenger's notification isn't working, there could be a couple of reasons. The first is making sure, let's say you're not receiving notification only from one person. It might be that you might have muted them accidentally. So you can long press on that particular person, go to mute and make sure that they are not muted. Second is if you have set your phone to silent mode or do not disturb mode. So do not disturb mode will not give you notifications and silent mode will not notify you in a sound format. So you'll receive the notification, but you won't be aware if you're not looking at the phone. The third is that if you have disabled notifications from Messenger itself, to fix that, simply open up settings on your phone, look for the option called notifications, go to the option app notifications, and of course, we just want to search for Messenger here. And just tap on it and make sure you've turned on the toggle for Messenger notifications. Hopefully this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.